Alright, hey guys, it's me Cass. I'm back. So, we're gonna have another 10 packs to open. So, let's just cut to the chase. Oh, and before, I miss, the Lucario was a holographic card, and I just didn't see it. That's it. They got these weird hollow patterns, that are different to the English sets, so it's going to be a little different. Now we have a Litwick. Okay, I'm not going to use the little tab collection tray anymore. Litwick, Wigglytuff, Fungus, Pheasant, and a Hippowdon. So, not the greatest. There's still drama going on in the background, and I can't help it. I'm sorry, my family's just weird. So, we start off with a Pt.2, Deerling, Elgyem, Darmanitan, and I just kind of think it's funny that it has just Darmaxitan. This using deck Sawsbuck. Oh, darn it. It just felt a little thicker to me at that point. Sorry, I'm not really paying attention. I'm just focusing on the coolness of this. Right. Darumaka. Whoopsies. Elgyem. Vanillish. Silent. And a Gardevoir Hollow. So that's definitely going in a sleeve, because that is a nice card. But Psychic Mirage, I'm sorry, it's just not a good ability. Nobody's really been able to make it work. Unless you're using some kind of... No, sorry. It can't go with Gothitelle Cellcore. Pt.2, Sneasel, Lampent, Lapras, and Willigant. Sorry, I opened them a little to the right with where there's the little tab collection tray that I have, and it just works out nicely. Hippopotas, Petalil, Pawniard, Simisage, and another Bronzong. So I'm not really getting packet of polls. No, I'm just going to open them. Curlia, Bronzor, Vanillite, Pheasant, and a Hippowdon. Come on, give me the good stuff. Yeah, this booster box does not like me. And on top of that, this pack is disowning me. Giving me karma. There we go. Right. A Pt.2, Deerwing, Jigglypuff, Sawsbuck, and a Chandelure Hollow. So, if you can't see it, it's got the sparkly background, which isn't like the line background of the, let me find one, of the English sets. You can see the lines there. It's kind of like the promo style, if I can get it. Can I? There we go. There's sparkles. So, yeah, that's kind of reminds me of the old sets back when they were out. Right. Wigglytuff, Fungus, Riolu, Cryogonal, and a Heavy Ball, which is still used in competitive play today. Yeah. You go next, Destinies. Or in this case, Hail Blizzard, but whatever. Alright, we have a Pansage, Growlithe, Ralts, Behem, and an Amoonguss. Alright, last pack. We have an Elgyem, Vanillish, Litwick, Lapras, and a Bronzong. Alright, so overall in this video, 2 hollows, so that's kind of almost, but it really doesn't pay off to the EX that I got earlier, so oh well, maybe some luck in the next part, and leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you.